Hello, it's Lewis, and today we're looking at my adventure game design. So in this project, we're just creating an original idea using group boxes and radio buttons to make a game or end all story. Uh, yeah, seems to be some problems. Change this. Oh, okay, just leave it like this. Bit of the text is cut out, but ignore this anyway because I've decided to change to the from this original idea. Like I'm working on the game now, and I'm really realizing this idea is a bit ambitious. So I'm changing to I'm boiling it down, making it more simple because this just due to the time constraints and had some errors with the location of the game itself. So I had to restart a couple of times. Some of the ideas will still appear in the final game, but it won't be exactly this. It'll be very different to this original idea. This is the Form 1 design. In the final, when I made Form 1, yeah, I made it a bit different. Just the text boxes in the right place. I've got one button instead of two. But the same idea pretty much. There we go. There's Form 2. Very different in the. Let me just move this down. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, so Form 2 is going to have a bunch of group boxes with options, 3 of them, and the text box. In the final version, I did pretty much keep the idea of it, except we got the text box at top and 3 group boxes more stacked. So like on the left side, there would be one like here, one like here, underneath the text box, one here, and one here, like, and then there would be a picture box over here. So yeah, the same type of idea, but just a different layout. Yeah, so Form 3 is pretty much just the same as Form 2 in what's it called? Just in design and layout, the ideas and maybe what's going to be in the group boxes and text boxes would be different. Form 4 would be the same thing, and Form 5, here we are. This is very different because they originally was going to have a like final boss with picture boxes with options, and then options, 2 picture boxes of your character over here, and then the enemy over here, and then options of like what to do in the fight. But this might be changed. I don't know. I still want to probably make this a reality, this final form, but I don't know if I will. And then this is the game over screen. I still have this kind of form, not really numbered though. It's just kind of like if you do something wrong, you'll end up at this form. And yeah, there's only one text box and saying game over, and then that's it. So, okay, that's the end. So, yep, this is my game plan so far, and it's going well. Although I have diverted from this original plan a lot, so don't expect this to be really anything like the final product.